as usual, when I pick up the camera and try to get some video of the birds, dogs don't help either. You can't see any birds in this frame right now. But that's my bird bath right there. Where's my, oh, there's my hand. There it is. There's my bird bath. And there's about 4 or 5 birds up in this tree over here. There's a couple, 3, 4 more over here. And probably a couple in that bush. And in this tree up behind there's 3 or 4. So there's like 20. Oh, there's one down here. You can actually see him. He's actually coming in down here now. But there's at least 16 to 20 birds or more all fighting for rank to get in to the bird bath. And of course Peanut's got to go out there. Yeah, there's a little bowl of water there too. I need to get a couple more bird baths. Yeah, there's one bird. He's on the bird bath. I don't know if you can see him there. Yeah, you can see him. There he is. And sometimes 2 will come up there and share it a little bit. But if 3 come, no, that ain't gonna work. And sometimes not even 2. And sometimes 1 will get up there and they don't even know what to do. They just kind of stand there. And then other birds will come in and they'll get up there and jump down in there and do like the whole, throwing water everywhere. Okay, and there's no, okay, here comes 1. There he's up on the edge now. This is really hard to see. But if I move around or try to get too close, there you go. That's a little better. But yeah, really fun watching the birds around here. And cardinals. Actually, there's not even any cardinals around right now, but we have a lot of cardinals. And they love the bird bath too. You just set up a little live cam. There's one in the bath. There's one down there in the bushes over there. But like I said, every one of these trees has 3 or 4 birds in it. That one's got a few in it. This one over here's got a few in it. And that one up behind there, over there, that one's got a few in it. And they're all lined up to get in that one little bird bath. Peanut's over there hunting lizards. Peanut, what are you doing? Oh, I should do a live cam. Yeah, I need one of those webcams on my bird bath. That'd be nice. My avocado tree is starting to come back. All that green stuff up on the top. Hasn't had much rain, but it's coming back. I need to cut it down, chop it off right there, and go get a avocado tree that's fruiting tree, and then stick all the grafts in there and try to graft that root stock. Anyways, back to the bird bath. Oh, we got one in there. Oh, there he goes. Oh, Peanut might have scared him away. Some birds don't even pay attention to her. She's just, they're oblivious to her. Come on, you're just scaring the birds away. Come on, get over here. There's my garlic. See, it gets a little bit of sun in the evening. Maybe I could make a bird bath out of that beer keg there. Yeah, if I had a tripod set up with camera, bird bath live. Somebody told me I should start a Patreon channel. Oh, I have PayPal if anybody, well, yeah, I don't know. A lot better things to give your money to than me. Of course, it would help me build my forest. Oh, yeah. Spent a little extra on water tonight. We were watering everything because everything's so dry, and I left the water on for about a half an hour, almost full throttle. So we should be seeing some stuff growing here pretty soon. Gave her a good soaking. Can't wait to see my water bill. Besides, you gotta, whoa, oh, what the heck? Wow. Oh, the brightness. Brightness and then a zoom. Oh, different kinds of controls. Wait, that's a, gotta turn the brightness up and down. How do we do the brightness? I just found a new control on my camera here, on my phone. My camera phone, my phone camera. Oh. Oh, wait, maybe not. Alright. That's been a fun cut.